Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer ownership in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Canva, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Canva website, you can just go to your profile right here on the top right. And under your profile, just go to the settings right here. And after clicking settings, you will be redirected to this page where you will need to find this people right here under your account. And as you can see, you can add people in your Canva account so that they can, manage you. They can also manage all of your project. And if you want to transfer the ownership, you can just go to manage team. If you have a team, just go to manage team, and yeah, you can just transfer the ownership right there. But I think the creating a team is only for premium mode in Canva, so I don't have a Canva Pro, so that I can create a team and also change the ownership. But then you can use it. If you have a Canva Pro, you can just go to manage team under your profile settings, and yeah, that's it. You can just transfer your ownership right there. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.